Back in 2020, I had the privilege of heading up to Noosa to work with Zero Emissions Noosa on their very first solar for Strata masterclass. And I thought that here we are 4 years later, we'd go and check in and see how the Strata schemes in Noosa have been going on their solar journey.
Here at Sandcastles, we have 16 holiday units and 3 commercial units down on the Hastings St side. More than 40 years ago, when Sandcastles was first built, we didn't have air conditioning in any of the units. The pool and the spa were heated with gas, so the total electricity consumption in the building was dramatically less than it is now. One of the major electricity retailers sent a crew around to install some smart meters. They showed up, took one look at our switchboard and said, "Oh, no, we can't touch anything there." And that started what could have been sort of a sad story for us, because we realized we needed to replace our entire switch system. What we were aiming for, obviously, was preserving our electricity supply to all the units, but spending $45,000 for no apparent change wasn't real satisfying. So we looked around to see if we can turn it into some kind of an opportunity. And the obvious opportunity was to go with solar. We needed to upgrade some things, and I thought, well, when we're busy fiddling around with the wiring, that's the opportunity, that's the time to do everything else. And in our case, we went one step further. We installed an embedded network. The embedded network operator uses our solar and imports from the grid on our behalf to deliver lower costs. So we aren't trading in solar electricity ourselves. We're simply getting the benefit in the form of a reduction in our electricity expense of about 30%. The roof is now effectively in the shade. The north-facing roof, which gets the fiercest sun, is now underneath solar modules with an air gap between them and the roof itself, so the top floor units don't face as much cooling load as they used to. And Tesla provided us, at no cost, 4 of their Generation 3 chargers, which will charge any brand of EV in Australia. Zero Emissions Noosa have focused on making sure that we produce within the Noosa Council more electricity than we consume by 2026. Residences and businesses have really taken it up, and the use of solar in residential and business applications is very well advanced. Strata title properties have lagged behind. Our major push at the moment is to help those heroes within each Strata committee who will push through the necessary work to get this sort of thing done. The benefits to owners and occupants in the Strata title buildings are pretty obvious. It's beautiful and sunny. Our roof faces perfectly north. The equipment costs some money. After that, the energy is free. It's the way to go, and you'll be happy with it, and people will be very happy when they see their electricity bills.